Hi guys, we're just after purchasing 5 of these water troughs off Megafab, who also we bought our tipsy bins off about 2 years ago. We're very happy with our tipsy bins, but we're going to give these guys a go. They're a good double big drinking trough. I'm just going to give you a few measurements on them. The trough itself is measured at about 4 foot, so it is this way, and in height it's measured in 2 foot, and this is the bit I like about it. It's up high off the ground, and I don't think myself, if you have any trouble with badgers or that on your land, that they'll be able to drink out of this. The trough comes fitted with your standard ball cock, so very easy to fit. They're lovely and light. One man can pull them round, drop them into place. All here, if you look at it, like the tipsy bin, you have a clean off draining point. So when you want to wash out your troughs at the start of every year, you can wash them out. That's an invaluable little piece of a hole for doing that. Also, what I like about this trough is we've done all our paddocks. We split our fence as you standardly would down the middle of the trough, so one side can drink this side, one side can drink this side, and you know they do exactly what they say in the tin. We have 5 of these bought off Megafab, so we will be fitting these probably in about 2 to 3 weeks. So we're going to give you an update then on when they're fitted and the installation of them. So look, we'll see you then.